Usage areas of remote sensing. Studies on the processing techniques of satellite, drone, UAV images, object recognition and detection, high performance in classification algorithms, deep learning, machine learning, which are important for defense and civilian users, are increasing day by day. With the developing technology, remote sensing technologies for defensive object recognition and target detection, monitoring of agricultural areas, determination of forest diversity, determination of land cover and use, environment, mining, hydrology, ecology, meteorology, oceanography, geology, city planning, creating urban places and subjects such as disaster management, natural resources management is increasing day by day. The wide coverage area of satellites provides a great advantage in data analysis on a global scale, environment and urban planning applications, determination of environmental pollution, measurement of air quality, identification of illegal construction, determination of land cover and use, determination of urban usage areas, monitoring changes over time, determination of city topography, new residential areas, roads, bike paths, green areas, industrial zones, etc., planning, protection of historical touristic places and protected areas, disaster management, determination of rare, lake, sea pollution, determination of shorelands, infrastructures, water loss leak detection, agriculture applications, determination of the diversity of agricultural products, following the phenological development of agricultural products, variable rate input applications, appearance of water stress of plants, detection of plant diseases, management of agricultural insurances drought, disease, agricultural losses, planned agriculture management, detection of illegal agricultural areas, early warning systems, yield and productivity forecasts, determination of land cover and use, soil moisture and drought monitoring, soil salinity detection, forest applications, determination of forest types, production of forest creek maps, disease detection, prevention of forest fires and damage assessment, monitoring desertification, timber production forecast, mining, geology, archaeology applications, investigation of mineral resources, monitoring of open mines, geological structure surveys, detection of fault lineaments, earthquake research, oil exploration, geothermal explorations, determination of rock types, detection of oil spills, volcanic researches, stock calculation, archaeological researches, hydrology applications, water resources management, sea, lake, stream pollution investigation, determination of sea surface temperature distribution, water pollution detection and monitoring, water quality analyzers, calculation of snow equivalent water amount, monitoring the melting and movements of ice and glaciers, cartography applications, generation of digital terrain models, orthophoto map generation, earth deformation detection, photo image requirement, maritime and coastal management applications, coastal monitoring, detection of marine vehicles, monitoring the waste of ship waste, marine pollution monitoring, generating bathymetry maps, sea surface temperature distribution calculation, sea surface wind and wave surveys, ocean science research, detection of ice concentrations, detection of underwater wrecks, defense and security applications, discovery and surveillance, target location detection, goal change analysis, image intelligence, damage determination, battlefield simulation, vertical obstacle detection, digital elevation model, disaster applications, identification before and after disaster, earthquake damage analysis, flood tracking, flood monitoring, monitoring of forest fires and damage determination, storm monitoring and damage detection, energy applications, detection of renewable energy sources and analysis of the most suitable location, monitoring of global warming and climate change, monitoring of power lines, and army detection of photovoltaic solar panels.